the story glow, I see your might. Oh, the eternal God, my heart takes flight. In every dawn, your grace appears. I worship you, Lord, through infinite years. Oh, God of love, in your vast splendor, I praise you with fervor, my Savior. In your presence I find peace anew. In your infinite deeds my soul is made true. In the ocean waves I hear your call. In every storm I see you care for all. In valleys and mountains your hand guides me. I worship you, Lord. You set my spirit free. Oh, God of love, in your vast splendor, I praise you with fervor, my Savior. In your presence I find peace anew. In your infinite deeds my soul is made true. Oh, God of love, in your vast splendor, I praise you with fervor, my Savior. In your presence I find peace anew. In your infinite deeds my soul is made true. So I sing, oh God, with all my being, your infinite greatness forever.